Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So guys, today's video I will be making a DIY shampoo. So I'll be making a DIY shampoo. This is the first month on how you can make your DIY shampoo. So first of all, I will cut the lime, the two sides of the lime. I'm going to cut it away before I will cut the lime open, just like so. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming, and if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you guys so much. So concerning what is happening right now in Nigeria, God is in control. Our country will be better again by the grace of God. So we should put Nigeria in prayer. Whether you are from Nigeria or not, please put Nigeria in prayer, because this is the time that we need God the most. So after cutting the lime, I'm just going to put it inside this pot, and then I will add this is ginger and lime tea. So it's so good guys, like you can also make it and drink it. It's so good for the body. So so I decided to just get rid of that, because I was trying to remove the label and the thing got cut open. So this is um the green tea. So I'm going to also add this green tea to it. So I'm going to replace that ginger and lime. So this is the one that I will use to replace it. So I'm going to add that inside the water. Then the next thing, I'm just going to put it in the gas and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, so that everything is going to cook well and release a nutrient inside the juice. So this is the Africa black soap that I will be using. This is Dudu Osun. It's very popular black soap, so you can get it anywhere in the store. It's very popular. So if you don't have this, you can use any other black soap. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to use my grater to grate it and make it look small pieces, so that it will be easy to melt. So I'm just going to keep that aside for the next mode of this DIY hair grow shampoo, hair grow and moisturizing shampoo. So now I'm just going to show you guys how it look like. This is how small it look like. So my tea is ready. This is ginger, blended ginger, and green tea and lime tea. So it's very good guys for our hair. Green tea is so good for our hair, also lime. So I'm just going to take some of the water. I'm going to take some of the water, use my strainer to strain out the little pieces of lime inside the inside my Africa black soap. This is how it's looking like now. So I'm going to add some oils inside that Africa black soap shampoo. This is my DIY hair grow oil. So I'm going to add this oil inside this. So guys, the next oil is almond oil. So you can use any oil that you have. So this is the one that I love to use on my hair. So I'm going to be adding that 1 spoon of almond oil. So the next oil is going to be this castor oil guys. So I'm going to also add castor oil to this DIY hair growth shampoo. So guys, after using this shampoo, you are going to love your hair. Your hair is going to stay moisturized, clean, and also contribute to your hair growth. So the next thing now is going to be olive oil. So guys, just use any oil that you love. If you don't like any of this oil that I'm using, you can use any of the oil that you like. So this honey is optional. If you want, you can also add honey. If you don't like honey, you can skip this honey, guys, because it's also optional. So after adding everything, I'm just going to mix. So guys, I'm going to allow it to sit overnight, then I will bring you back in the next day, the next morning. So guys, this is the next day. This is how my Africa Black soap is looking like. Everything have combined together inside the Africa soap. So you can see the color have changed because everything have really soaked so well inside the Africa Black soap. So now I'm just going to mix everything together, then I will transfer it to my applicator bottle for easy use. So here is my applicator bottle. I'm going to transfer everything inside this applicator bottle, then to be easy for me to use on my wash day. Everything is going inside, guys. After using this shampoo, you are going to love it. So guys, after transferring it, I'm just going to cover it and set it aside. This is the first month is ready. So this is how our soap is looking like. You can also use this to take your bath. You can use it to have your bath because it's so good also for our skin. So guys, this is the second mode. So this is the fenugreek seed. I'm going to add some fenugreek seed inside my jug. So I'm not taking any measurement, I'm not using any measurement on this. I'm just going to just eyeball it and pour it inside just like that. So this is the black seed. So I'm also going to add the black seed, then add water and keep it till the next day. So guys, this is the next morning. So our fenugreek seed and black seed have soaked, have released its nutrient inside the juice. So I'm going to transfer the juice inside that my pot. Then I'm not going to throw away this seed, so you have to stay and subscribe, click your alarm bell so that you will see. So guys, this is hibiscus. I'm going to add some hibiscus inside that water, then I'm going to bring it to cook for 5 minutes. So after everything, just mix everything together and put it on your gas and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. So guys, this is how my tea is looking like. I'm just going to strain everything inside my Africa Black soap, then I will just mix everything together. So this is how it's looking like now. So I'm also going to repeat the oils that I used on the before in the other mode. This is the castor oil. I'm going to add castor oil to this. I'm also going to add almond oil to it. I'm also going to add olive oil and my honey, which is optional if you don't want to. So I'm going to add everything to this. So guys, after adding everything, I'm just going to mix. So this is how it's looking like after I've mixed everything together. I'm also going to cover it and allow it to sit overnight. You can also allow yours to sit for some hours if you want to. So you don't really have to leave it overnight if you don't want to. So if you just want to use it now, just leave it overnight. So this is how it's looking like now. The next day, because of the black seed, the color is also changed. So I'm going to transfer it to another applicator bottom then for me to be using. Then this is the two different ways you can make your moisturizing hair growth shampoo. So I'm going to be using the one with black seed, fenugreek seed, and so I'll be using the one with hibiscus, fenugreek seed, and then black seed on my left side. So the one with lime and green tea and ginger tea on my left. So just keep watching, we'll come back for the result. So I'm going to just use it to scrub my scalp, massage and remove all the dirt inside my hair. So if you love this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, and what else and thank you so much for watching today's video. So I'm just going to continue to use this shampoo to wash my hair, then I will be back to show you the one that I love most, the one that moisturizes my hair most. So if you want to know that, just keep watching and I will be back for the result. So guys, lemon help our hair to grow stronger and healthy. The antioxidants help prevent dandruff, hair loss, and give our hair a shiny look, which is so good for also our health. Green tea help to improve our hair texture and also help to prevent our hair from losing. It also help to fight dryness and dandruff of the scalp caused by use of chemical. So honey help to promote cells growth, help to retain moisture and restore nutrient to the hair and scalp, which is so good guys. Honey is so good for our hair. So hibiscus is also help to prevent hair loss. It balances the pH volume of the scalp, reduce dryness, stimulate hair growth, prevent split ends, and reduce the grain of hair, which is so good for our hair growth. So black seed encourage hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. Also act as a natural moisturizer and reduce the dryness on the scalp and enhance prevent hair loss, which is so good for our hair guys. So if you watch to this extent, thank you so much for watching. So this is the end result of my wash day with my DIY hair grow shampoo. So I love the both side, they both look moisturized and clean. Thank you so much and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.